like 1973 and after GM stuff, because it's an all-in-one. You got the coil on top, distributor cap, rotor button, all that, the modulator or the modules built into the bottom of it. So literally the only thing going to this distributor is one power wire.
One power wire.
So that's the entire ignition system right there.
So ignition on, power goes to that, and that's it.
That's it. And then from there it picks up its own.
Well, that'll make it easy.
Yep.
So we'll have to do a lot of rewiring here to make it safe and yeah, figure out what all this stuff does. Hey, and welcome back to Rev Limited. Today in the shop we're going to completely rewire this FJ40 from front to back. Okay, I'm going to go through some of the supplies that we've got here. I'm going to replace the clutch fan for a 12-volt fan. It comes with the relay, sensor, and the mounting brackets. Got a universal fuse box with relays, new headlight adapters. This is a fuse panel that was already in the vehicle. I may wire that up just so there can be an easy way to add more accessories. Got some wire loom, small and large, switches, dome lights. Got a cigarette lighter with a USB 12-volt adapter. Random wires, multiple gauges, 18 gauge for the normal stuff, 12 gauge for higher wattage requirements, and then multiple sizes of multi-conductor wire. And we're going to solder with shrink tube. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to start with the tail lights. First thing I want to do is move to the inside and see which wire is which. So, got a little power supply. Let's attach the two ground wires together. Test the inside. Which one is this? Alright, reverse light, park light, and brake light slash blinker. Let's give these gauges an upgrade. Got the horn input wire grounded, output going to a relay, and going to this power supply. Nice. Alright, now let's test the blinkers. Okay, brake lights. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Right turn signal with brake. Left turn signal with brake. And hazard lights. tank is moving. Wow, that is not right. Okay, GPS. See if that works. Okay, here you go. So immediately in the test drive, we determined that these gauges just aren't going to work. The tach wasn't very sensitive, it didn't read properly, speedometer wasn't working right. We just decided to go ahead and return these back to Amazon and get some real gauges. Autometer gauges are in. They look so much better than the motor meter, whatever, cheap Amazon gauges. I did have to add the blinkers. I'll show you what that looks like. Go up. And now we also have hazard lights. Follow along for more, like and subscribe, comment, and come back for more. Thanks.